What's up, everybody? Blake here from Pew Pew Bang Bang. I'm gonna do a little video on the Palmetto State Armory Dagger. Just got this in. I know there's a bunch of videos out there, but I figured I'd do one too because why not? I'm gonna shoot it anyway, so let's record and see how she does. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, sorry about the wind, but it's windy. So first off, you get this pretty sweet carrying case. I mean, this is something you probably pay, I don't know, 35, 40, maybe even 50 bucks for at a store, but it's engraved with it. That has the serial number on it. I flipped it around. You unzip it, which I already have, and open it up. Just turn it around. There you go. Now, if that did not come with it, that is mine. And we're gonna try that here in a little bit. But it does happen to fit where that useless gun lock goes. When you get the gun, well, my gun at least. There you go. Threaded barrel. Suppressor height sights. Comes with one PMag. Now I did get another Glock 17 and a Glock 19 mag to go with it because it will accept them. So that's the PMag it comes with. And just to show this unloaded. See? There's the Glock mag. See? Glock. Fits. There's the other Glock mag. Glock. It's weird to do this at this angle. There we go. See? Now that is the full size mag, 17 rounder, so of course it's going to stick out the bottom, but for target shooting, who cares? It does have these slides cut in it, or the slide is cut out right here on each side. The only drawback that I've seen so far is just the sights. As you can see, I'm hoping you can see, there's no dots. So I did take a silver Sharpie and put a little bit of a line right here on the front sight. I need to get some white paint or like white fingernail polish and put a dot there. I'll probably end up replacing these with some night sights. Suppressor height night sights. There we go. Now it does have a removable optics plate. This is the doctor cut, but I do not have a red dot to put on it, so let's get started. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to break it down real quick, and I have a little bit of this Battle-Born grease. I'm just going to put a little bit on the rails on the inside, so it's empty. Pull the trigger, pull it back, take down just like a Glock. There you go. As you can see, hopefully you can see, it's kind of dry right in there where those rails go back and forth. So, put a little Battle-Born grease in there. Just a dab. 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 Hopefully that's all we need. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I've noticed it's easier to put that together if I go ahead and push the trigger bar forward. No, it's already forward, okay. Sometimes it's not, I don't know. Line it up. Make sure it comes back in. There we go. Get that grease all nice up in there. Function test. All right. We're good to go. Okay, also this has a rail on the bottom. This is the Olight PL Mini 2 Valkyrie. PL Mini Valkyrie 2, however you want to say it. I've had this for a while. And it will, well, unload it. It will fit on there. It's hard to do it at this angle, like I said. There we go. Clip it on. So, we'll take a weapon light. Got a holster on order for this. When I get it, I'll let you know if it's worth a darn, and then I'll put a small video up saying where I got it from. All right, these are my first shots with this gun, so hopefully nothing malfunctions, because if so, y'all get to see it. Got the PMag that came with it. I'm loaded up with some Federal 115 grain full metal jackets. Let's see what it'll do. We'll go steel first, then just transition back and forth. last one. Hey. No malfunctions. That's good. Let's go again. All right, let's try the Glock mag. This is the 15 round Glock mag. Didn't miss the target that time. All right, 15 rounder's good. All right, let's try the 17 round Glock mag. Still shooting full metal jackets. Got a little carried away, missed 2 on the steel, but that's all right. I'm about 7 yards away. Woo, she's getting warm. Don't touch the metal. All right, well that was 3 mags through it. No malfunctions, no failures. I like it. The trigger's actually not that bad. All right, let's have some more fun. Now, isn't that just gorgeous? Well, this is the Rugged Obsidian 45, and we have a 9mm end plate on the end, and it's got the 1/2x28 threaded barrel attachment. So, let's see how this runs with the suppress. We're going to use the P-Mag. I'm going to do 1 round without my earplugs in, see how loud it is, and then I might put them back in. Not on steel. I know some of y'all saw my old video about the suppressor, and hey, I was just starting, and I shot a lot of steel with the suppressor, and people complained. Well, I won't shoot the steel every time this time, but I'm still going to shoot it. So anyway, here we go. Into the paper. That's good without earplugs. Woo, that's loud. That's loud. The steel's louder than the gunshot without earplugs. That was the P-Mag. Go to the 17 rounder, Glock mag. Oh yeah, she's getting warm. Glock mag. No malfunctions. I like that. Ooh, you can feel the heat off that thing. I could cook some bacon on there. Okay, for those who don't know, when you shoot suppressed, it sends a lot of gas back this way. Comes out the barrel. Looked at my hand, shooting hand. Is it gonna focus? Got a little black on there. Can you see it? One thing I can think of is it was coming out of the where the mag button is on the other side, mag release button, see? Because that's where I'm gripping. Now it did not burn, I did not even feel it. I just happened to look down and be like, wow, my hand's dirty. Just interesting. But still, ran good. And it just looks awesome. Okay, all the rounds we shot previously were all Federal FMJ. They're brass case, 115 grain. So now we're going to try some Blazer, but these are the aluminum case, 115 grain, 9mm. So see how it likes aluminum. I'll pick that up in a minute. This time, let's not forget my earplugs. All right, here we go. Aluminum case. Paper. Empty. Good. That was the mag, Glock mag, steel. Good. Come on out of there now. I missed one. Now 17 rounds. Three mags worth of aluminum case, no issues. Just me missing the target once or twice. Okay, I had 3 rounds of aluminum case left, so what I did, I staggered them. I went brass, aluminum, brass, aluminum. I got 7 rounds total, starting with brass and finishing with brass. So, brass, aluminum, brass, aluminum, brass, aluminum, brass. Let's see if you can run that. I'm sure it will, but just for, about to the S word, just for craps and giggles. Try and keep it PG. No problems. I like it. All right, I did the math and I've shot 148 rounds. No flaws, no malfunctions. So, can't stop at 148, gotta do 2 more, make it 150, right? So, 2 more. That tree. And that tree. Shot a tree. Trust me, there's no one over there. All right, 150 rounds, no malfunctions. I like it. Might have to carry this every now and then. You know what also I like? Hey, I've had this shirt a while, got it from Mark Dice's store. Global warming, you know. Or no, wait, global cooling. No. Oh, wait, no, sorry, it's climate change. Yeah, that's it. No, wait, it's called seasons. Seasons. Anyway. So, hope you like the gun. If you do like it, check it out. And as for me, like the video, share it, subscribe. This is on YouTube. I'm gonna put it on Rumble as well. And I don't know, maybe somewhere else. I'd like to take time to thank my sponsors, which is my job and me, because I'm not sponsored. None of this was free. So maybe one day. All right, guys, I'm done. God bless.